Google is determined to impose AI search onto as many of its products as possible, and the latest victim is YouTube. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google explained on its YouTube Labs page that it's testing a new feature called Ask YouTube that will let you ask complex questions and receive comprehensive results that include video and text, then ask follow-ups to dive deeper. The experimental feature is already available until June 8th for premium US subscribers aged 18 and older. To use the feature, you first have to enable it in your account. Then click on the new Ask YouTube button in the search bar and you'll see prompt suggestions. Or you can enter your own, like plan a 3-day road trip between San Francisco and Santa Barbara. After getting the results, you can try follow-up questions or choose from suggested prompts to explore in more detail. For a quick test, The Verge prompted short history of Apollo 11 moon landing, and the feature brought up a summary of the mission along with videos and timestamps for relevant information. Follow-up questions yielded similar results, but some queries just showed a list of videos like you'd see in a classic YouTube search. But beware, as this is still an AI feature, so it is possible that the information that's been putting up might be fake or inaccurate. Tech companies love AI a lot more than the public, and YouTube users are particularly passionate about hating AI-generated slop. YouTube's AI search function may fare better with subscribers, but only if it helps them find quality content more quickly. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.